Video.
It only works for Devin. Devin doesn't even have to talk too nice to it. She just...
Devin, would you please try it?
No. AT&T.
What?
Just kidding.
I hope you guys know it's a video.
It's a video tonight. It kissed my ear. Oh, did she ringing? Oh, that hurt so much.
I hate when she does that.
Yeah, you should tell her to say, do you have to go to the bathroom? Do you want to go to the bathroom?
You leave my childhood fears alone.
You went afraid of the bathroom?
No, because she would beat me in the bathroom. Because there's no cameras in
I
there.
never had to beat her. I just
No, you spanked me in the bathroom once, I remember.
No, because usually people were in the bathroom.
No, remember?
Look, I'll tell you something, okay? Right when, as long as I don't leave a mark, it's legally acceptable. Right when... That was just really rancid.
No, you know what's really bad? This one every day. What's going on, guys?
You're disgusting.
No, Devin is disgusting. She would always be like, she was like totally taking it in her nose all the time, and she would come like, I have a nosebleed.
What are you recording?
That's my Devin though. I love her. You know, it's really...
Once I was totally caught her eating it.
Right
she
when,
was like,
right when the kid out of the shower, smack him right on the ass.
no,
That's what I heard.
this was me right out of the shower one time. Like, I was like completely naked, and you know how they say eyeballs and we say click, and we look, right? So I was like, hey, Firehawks, shh, eyeballs. Let's close this curtain.
Then you were naked?
Devin, remember? Eyeballs.
I do sadly remember.
So you had everybody look at you?
Yeah.
Naked?
Yeah.
Interesting. Sounds like... We only have like 15 more minutes. Can you guys come together and tell us some December stories?
Yeah, please. They're all inappropriate.
I don't really have any.
Whatever. But
You have stories.
You have none.
Dude, I completely have stories.
You always make the same phrase
okay, I
whenever the camera is on
It's
you.
funny now, but it was like scary at the time, but she totally had an asthma attack. Running to the stop sign. Can I breathe, please? I'm like, she was crying at the time. I was freaking out. I was like, oh my god, my Devin is in pain. I was like, leave her alone.